ever been stuck in a frosty winter morning, cursing the missing block heater in your car? You're not alone. Many drivers without block heaters face sluggish engine starts and energy inefficient fuel burn. But there are ways to adapt and conquer. Let's dive into the most common pain points when your car lacks that essential engine war up. You might notice decreased battery life, engine damage risks, and poor performance in extremely low temperatures. Sound familiar? You're just ready for our step-by-step guide. Firstly, ensure your battery is in top condition. A weak battery in freezing temperatures is like trying to sprint in flip-flops. Check its charge regularly and invest in a quality battery warmer if needed. It's a game changer. Another handy tip is to use an oil dipstick heater. Imagine a tiny rod that fits right into the engine's oil compartment and warms it up. Warm oil lubricates better, reducing engine strain. Make sure your dipstick heater matches your engine specifications. Consider using an engine blanket for added warmth. It's like a cozy jacket for your car. Wrap it around the engine block, keeping the chill at bay. They're easy to use, and you can pick one up for around $50, making it cost effective. But now timing is everything. Plug in your car's accessories for about 2 to 3 hours before you hit the morning road. This allows your battery warmers, oil heaters, and engine blankets to do their magic without hiking your electricity bill. You might be wondering, can I just idle the car to warm it up? Sure, but idling isn't very eco-friendly or efficient. You might burn more fuel and still not reach optimal warmth. It's like trying to heat a room with an open oven door. Instead, consider a remote engine start system. These systems save time by allowing you to start warming your car from the comfort of your home. However, they should only be used with the right safety measures, such as a garage door open. Switch out to synthetic oil if you haven't already. Synthetic oils perform better in cold conditions because they maintain a more stable viscosity when temperatures drop. That's a pro tip right there. It can extend engine life and save money long-term on very cold nights. Parking in a sheltered or covered area can significantly reduce frost buildup. A carport, garage, or even a simple car cover and make a lasting difference. It's not just about temperature, it's about keeping your car environment consistent. Using fuel additives can also help, especially in diesel engines. They prevent fuel line freeze-ups and enhance winter-grade oil performance. It's a small investment with the potential for big savings in repair costs down the track. Ultimately, being prepared is the best way to handle a winter without a block heater. Gather essentials, apply these tips, and you'll cruise into the cold with confidence. Keeping these hacks in mind ensures a longer lasting, better performing engine. Remember a few preventative measures adjusted for winter's wrath. Keep your wheels rolling without worry. Whether you're in Portland or anywhere waking to frosty mornings, warming up your engine is more than possible, and these steps make it simple